Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, Tasty Meal by Stacy. Today I'm not in cameras because this is a very quick and easy dish that I'm making. So what I did, I just started looking and I found some fettuccine pasta, which is awesome. This is our favorite. And I went in the fridge and got some ground beef. And now I'm going to put this dish together. So please bear with me and let's cook together. Okay guys, we have here about 80 grams of pepper. We have yellow, red, orange, and green. So it's about 20 grams of each. And we also have about 25 grams of celery. And we have about 20 grams of tomato. I just put a teaspoon of oil. This is about a tablespoon of garlic. And here's the ground beef. The ground beef is looking awesome. We're going to go ahead and put the vegetable into it. Pepper. Celery. Tomato. We just added the vegetable to the ground beef. Let's go ahead and stir it together. We're going to let it cook for about 2 minutes. About a tablespoon of lemon pepper, a little color to it, one of those little package of Goya with saffron and paprika. We're going to put a little extra paprika, half of a teaspoon. Okay, let's go ahead and put flavor into this dish. A tablespoon of chicken cumin powder. That's the rest of it. A tablespoon of sofrito. Ooh, that's going to enhance the flavor. A tablespoon of mayonnaise. You guys know that that's my secret weapon when it comes to pasta. So look at the color, and that's what we're looking for. And now we are ready to put the pasta into this dish. Ooh. Toss it together. It's looking good. That is awesome and smell good, guys. Smell beautiful. Just put the heat on low and leave it cook for about 2 minutes. Wow, guys, look at this beautiful dish. Ooh, that came out awesome. I want to see my husband's reaction. I think he's going to be the one tasting the meal today. So we wait and see. But that looks awesome. Look at the ground beef. The color of the pepper into the pasta is perfect. And I bet it tastes wonderful. Wow, that looks good. This is my husband's dinner. Surprise, surprise. Guys, this is how it looks. I think it came out awesome. It was done in about, what, 15 minutes. Pasta with ground beef and nice garlic bread. Okay, everyone. So my husband is doing the taste today. This is his meal, a quick meal. Pasta with ground beef. And a couple of, how is the baby?
That's very, very good. I love it.
You love it?
Very good, sweetie. Very
Enjoy.
good. Mm-hmm.
Now tell everyone to watch, subscribe.
Okay. Watch, subscribe, and like.
And thank you
And
for
thank
watching.
you very much
For watching.
for watching. Okay.
Bye, guys.
Bye.